Hello folks, and welcome to my show again. This is my 1971 XLH Sportster project. These bikes were delivered with mechanical tachometers driven by a cable from the gear case. The cable and its drive were known to cause the gear case to explode sometimes. So when I got the bike, I immediately removed that cable and its interface to the bike and plugged a hole. For months I searched for an electronic tachometer to take its place and tried several different ones that said that they would work but actually didn't work or were the wrong size. So after months and months, I decided to finally build my own, and this is the result. I put this together by taking the guts out of the original tachometer and installing the electronics from another tachometer that I knew would work for a two-cylinder motorcycle. The parts all fit, and it works great. I need to do some final adjustments, but I'm well satisfied. Thanks.